Welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is our lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything. I'm a clat.
Let's get straight into our hot topics, starting off with the She's Hot Contest trophy.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly.
The She's Hot Contest winner for this week is none other than Miss Bianca, the alleged fiance of Mr. Kanye West.
No, this is a complete coincidence.
That is no coincidence.
But congratulations on your win, Miss Bianca.
Congratulations. I like that name.
I agree. Love the name. And with Miss Bianca, I see potentially you could be the one to get the money from Kanye's West.
That's right.
As we all know, he doesn't have the billions now, but he still has millions, and that's a goal.
Yes, sir.
They were recently spotted in Italy, France, or wherever they were at. They were recently spotted on the canal, and Miss Bianca and Mr. Kanye were acting cool. And they told Miss Bianca, please put some clothes on.
Can you believe that?
And she looked bewildered. She looked at Kanye, who had a glazed look in his eye. We don't know what he was on, okay, but
He was off the pills this time.
all we want to say is we want to wish Miss Bianca Sensori a congratulations on your win for the She's Hot Contest. So you've got something going good.
That's right. Congratulations on your win, Miss Bianca Sensori. Beautiful name. But let's get into our hot topics, since we have lots of topics that you're not going to want to miss, and lots of things going on in Hollywood.
Like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
What do we have in the topics, Dr. Ross?
Starting it off with our first hot topic, we have the drummer boy.
Look at the top of his head.
But Mr. Travis Barker, he had to stop a show because there was some confusion with Courtney, and she was having some confusion with her baby and a surgery. We're not going to talk too much about that, but we're just wanting to let you guys know that there was some confusion. We're going to get into our next hot topic, speaking with Tom Brady. Tom Brady's back in it again. He can't stop working. He is now the head of Delta Airlines. What are your thoughts on this, IK?
Wow, look at that.
He's the head of a soccer team. He's the head of the Delta Airlines. I mean, Kevin Hart is also the head of Chase Bank, so we're going to pass on that one. And he's also allegedly going with Irina Shayk. Possibly.
Dating this Irina Shayk.
Yes, allegedly in a new relationship.
I think I finally know what your main problem is.
Tom Brady, when do you have time for yourself? That is my only question. We love you,
Time for the kids.
Exactly. We love you, Tom Brady, but we want to see you doing well, and we know that you're just overloading yourself right now. But Tom, stay up, player. We've got all love for you.
You deserve it.
Let's get into our next hot topic. Speaking about Tom Brady, Miss Gisele Bündchen.
That's right, Miss Gisele Bündchen was spotted with no pants and an oversized blazer.
Congratulations!
We know she is making a statement because Victoria's Secret has just relaunched her onto their new bras and their new lingerie, calling her the icon of the Victoria's Secret models.
We love it.
What are your thoughts on this, IK? Clearly they had some other models as well, like Miss Naomi Campbell, and we will name the other models right here.
That's a good point. But if this wasn't a punch towards Tom Brady, then I don't know what is. Tom Brady just became the head of Delta Airlines, and then he got punched in the stomach.
Oh no, this can't be.
So Tom, we really do send that to you. Stay up, player. And for Miss Gisele Bündchen, keep on staying hot, because you're always staying hot and doing you, like always.
Why you pouring me? I'm right.
Miss Gisele Bündchen, while you are on the up and up, IK and I would love to put you in our next upcoming film. We think you would do wonders. Let's get into our last and our final hot topic.
Yes, sir.
Kendall Jenner. She is back at it again, IK. Miss Kendall Jenner has a new boyfriend, fiance, kidnapper, lover, whatever she's calling these boys these days. His name is Bad Bunny, and he is quite an alleged, he's kind of a controversial person right now, but you know, Miss Kendall Jenner loves to sink her teeth in on the ones that are up and up right now.
No cap.
That's a good point, Dr. Ross. And one thing I will say, this goes for the whole Kardashian family. Of course, excluding Miss Coco and Kim. All of the Kardashian clan are scandalous. And what they want you to do to them is a little bit of a... You have to be going in 100% and dogging them out. Because if you don't dog them out, they're gonna dog you out and throw you to the curb. And we've all seen it happen live, like with the basketball player of recent memory. We'll put his photo right here.
Miss Kendall Jenner has dogged every single basketball player out. She's basically done what we've been telling Coco Nuts to do for years. But Miss Coco Nuts is still stuck on her last boyfriend, Mr. Tristan Thompson. Which, that's a case that's not going to be solved. But Miss Kendall Jenner, she is money hungry, scandalous, and ruthless, and always looking for another figure. And that's what we love about her.
Yes, sir.
Speaking about new relationships, Kylie Jenner was also spotted with the
Timothy Chalamet. They were recently spotted twice. Once at a concert where he was, we'll put the video right here, where he was avoiding any of her touches, kisses, and
wonderful. I'm number one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete with me. No one else in this world can think like me.
And then, secondly, they were in the back row of some type of baseball game, and
the Open.
Yes,
golf
game. So we don't know how long this relationship will be lasting. To me personally, it looks like Miss Kylie Jenner is with a boy, even though he is older than her by a couple years.
You what?
I'm personally not a fan of this relationship, but we'll see how it goes.
That's a good point. And one thing we will say so far, and everybody's been saying it, TMZ, different publicity sources, it seems as if Timothy Chalamet has been dogging out Kylie Jenner.
Yes.
We'll put in the clip of the Beyonce concert right here, and we'll let you see what you think for yourself.
I'm wonderful. I'm number one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete with me. No one else in this world can think like me.
But I'm gonna have to agree with them. Mr. Timothy is dogging Kylie out.
As he should.
Now we don't know if that's for the fact that he might be a little bit of the cinnamon roll on the other side, or if it's
Allegedly.
for the fact, that's right.
From his movie Call Me By Your Name.
True. Or if it's for the fact that he knows that Kylie will dog him out if he doesn't dog her out first.
Exactly.
Which, I'll have to say, good on him. He's finally learned the method.
Congratulations!
These were all of our hot topics, as we have places to be, things to do, and a film to wrap up. That's right, the Personal Style
That is
XYZ is in post-production, and lots more to come.
That's right. IK and I will be closing off these hot topics, but IK is right. We are closing up the Personals XYZ. We will be giving everyone the further updates on that film on our Instagram, rosengold.us.com. So if you want to stay up to date, go to rosengold.us at Instagram.
That's right. And before we close off our hot topics, make sure to like, follow, subscribe, share this video to your friends and family so they can get a taste of the hot topics. And also, don't forget about the Jamaican shampoo, as well as the Jamaican clothing line and hair products, as the proof is in the pudding. If you want that look and that luster, Jamaican shampoo is for you. And with Christmas right around the corner, it'd make a great Christmas gift.
That's right.
But these were all of our hot topics, and we'll see you all in the next episode.
Congratulations, Miss Bianca, on your win for the She's Hot contest once again.
Exactly. And to Kylie Jenner, Kim, Courtney, who else am I missing, Dr. Ross?
Miss Chris.
Chris.
Yes.
And, of course, Miss Nuts. That's for you. We'll see you on the next episode of Rosengold. I have love for all of the ladies. We'll see you on the next one. Out.
Nigga, can I fight for